Hi, I'm BJ Jackson-Bird with the City of Albany Community and Economic Development. I am the housing counselor for the city.
My name is Patricia Fletcher Edwards with NID Housing Counseling Agency and Being Empowered, Successful, and Trained, which is a financial coaching agency. And boy, do we have some news for you. Tell them, BJ.
June is National Homeownership Month, and we have some great opportunities for you. This class is based upon homeownership and the process it goes through. It has been sponsored, so that makes it free for all.
Did you say free, BJ?
It is free, including breakfast and lunch.
Including breakfast and lunch. Sponsorship has its privileges.
And we will be talking about all the new programs that we're about to roll out for homeownership, what's available through the banks, and whatever else we find between now and June 11th. So come out Saturday, June 11th from 9 to 4 to the Homebuyers Education class. You must attend the entire class. Registration is limited, so please call by June the 8th to get your seat.
We are calling 229-317-4745,
229-317-4745 or 229-302-1240 to pre-register.
The city's got it going on, right?
Yes, we do.
Oh.
And we are about to start by billing again. So come on in, put in your application, get the class, and look at all the opportunities that is out there for you. We look forward to seeing you there on Saturday, June 11th from 9 to 4.
Woo! Do it, girl.